Thanks for joining me today. I'm Fritz on Fritz. I hope your day is going splendidly so far. Currently 82 degrees, mostly sunny and windy here in the valley on this Sunday afternoon. Do you know what time it is? Of course you do. It's taste test time. Today, I'm going to try the Bubly brand sparkling water, cherry flavor. If you've tried this, please let me know in the comments what your assessment of it is. Full disclosure, PepsiCo is not a sponsor of this video. This particular 12-ounce can has an expiration date of December 16, 2024. Also, full disclosure, I've had other flavors from this company, and now I get to try the cherry. One of my coworkers gave me this to taste test, an 8-pack that's at my local grocery store that was running $4.39. Whether or not it's like that at other grocery stores, I'm not sure. I haven't gone around to check personally. Let me know if this is in your neighborhood store. Let me know what the cost is for an 8-pack. I'm trying this beverage nice and chilled. I love the design and the font on the can. Very vibrant, catches my eye. The shades of red, visually appealing to me, reminds me of cherries, freshly picked, summertime, at a local roadside fruit stand. I also like the colored pop top. Woo! There we go. Fizzy. Cheers, everybody. Nice, pleasant cherry aroma. Woo! Strong carbonation. Tickles the tongue. Seems like every carbonated beverage I have does that. Tickles the nose as well. Not too sweet. Nice combination of cherry flavor and the carbonation. I am picking up a little bit of medicinal, metallic aftertaste. Almost a fake cherry. Almost reminds me of Robitussin brand cough syrup, except carbonated. I've had worse cherry carbonated beverages, but I've had better. The carbonation really helps. I think that's the star of the show here. Tangy. Woo-hoo. Initial taste of the cherry, but then it just drifts into that aftertaste. It's all right. This might be good in a float, maybe with some strawberry ice cream or Napoleon. I'm kind of on the fence about it. Probably wouldn't buy it if I saw it in the store, so I am thankful that my coworker gave this to me to try, because I probably wouldn't spend money on it otherwise. But I'll finish it. On a scale of 1 to 10, I will give the bubbly cherry sparkling water a 7.37. Seems like it's a good quantity for the quality trade-off for the price. It's just that artificial cherry is starting to lean too far into medicinal territory for my liking. Have you ever had carbonated cough syrup? Not really. I will say, perfect amount of carbonation. Versatile. Seems fresh. Tangy. If you like artificial cherry, I think you would like this. If you would prefer real cherry juice or other cherry sodas, then this may not be ideal. But I am thankful that I gave it a try. Just sip on it a little bit. Almost a spicy, peppery sensation to it. As if someone poured a Dr. Pepper through a water filter and poured cough syrup through a water filter and then added carbonation. But who knows? This might work well as a canvas for a mixed drink of some kind. Until next time, I'll see you then. Bye, everybody. Have a great rest of your day. Safe travels. Stay cool. Yeah.